Hey everyone, the gaming monitor scene is buzzing with new releases every year, making it easier for you to find your perfect match. But hey, choosing the right one involves some key considerations. We're talking about refresh rates, variable refresh rates, VRR, size and resolution factors that can make or break your gaming experience. If you're a competitive PC gamer, high refresh rates and lower resolutions might be your jam. On the flip side, you might be eyeing an HDMI 2.1 display with a 4K resolution for that ultra-detailed gaming goodness. Hold up though, before you dive in, think about the games you love and your budget. Premium monitors do exist, serving up top-notch gaming performance and stunning visuals, but be ready to splurge a bit. No matter your gaming style, a monitor with speedy response time is a game changer for smooth visuals. And let's not forget low input lag, a must-have for any monitor worth its salt. Now we get it. Investing in a gaming monitor can feel like a pocket pinch, but fear not. We've got your back with the best gaming monitor deals to keep that budget in check. Check out the links in the description box for the latest and greatest prices. Let's level up your gaming setup. Meet the Acer Nitro XF243Y, the budget-friendly champ in the gaming monitor arena. Priced at around $200, this 24-inch wonder might not be the absolute best, but hey, it brings some serious game to the table. Picture this: full HD resolution and a crucial 144 Hz refresh rate, making your gaming sessions smoother than ever. And guess what? It's got FreeSync support, playing nice with both NVIDIA and AMD GPUs for that adaptive refresh goodness. Now, let's talk specs. The Nitro XF243Y is no slouch, flaunting low input lag and a stellar response time. Your headshots? Consider them nailed. Your goals? Consider them scored. The IPS panel ensures that colors pop right out of the box, though it takes a slight hit in the brightness and contrast departments. Sure, it might not be rocking HDMI 2.1 for the latest consoles, and the stand isn't doing acrobatics, but can you really argue with that price tag? The Nitro XF243Y brings solid gaming performance without breaking the bank. Game on! Alright, game enthusiasts, listen up! The era of high-speed OLED gaming monitors is finally here, and it's all thanks to the impressive Alienware AW324DWQD OLED. But hold on, because Asus has stepped into the ring with a heavyweight contender, the ROG Swift PG42UQ OLED. This bad boy is a colossal 42-inch monster that might just be the only monitor you'll ever need for all your gaming escapades, and it's hands down the best 42-inch gaming monitor out there. Taking a page from the LG C2 OLED TV playbook, the Swift PG42UQ cranks things up a notch. It's got a higher refresh rate, anti-glare coating, DisplayPort 1.4, and a bunch of other gaming monitor goodies. The end result, we're talking about one of the top-tier 4K gaming monitors on the market. Now, the burning question, is it worth the $1,399 price tag? Sure, it's a tad pricier than LG's C2, but hear me out. The Swift does a few things better, making it a premium pick. First off, it behaves like a proper monitor, not just a smart TV. I've been putting the Asus ROG Swift PG42UQ through its paces, and let me tell you, it's an absolute beast. Gaming on this thing is a pure delight. But here's the catch, it comes with a hefty price tag. LG's C242 is $300 cheaper and offers a similar experience, but here's the twist, it's not a gaming monitor, so if you're all about that gaming life, the Swift might just be your knight in shining armor, bringing the best of the C2 into the gaming realm. Adjustments may be limited, but where it matters, the ROG Swift PG42UQ is a gamer's paradise and a true champion for the OLED revolution. Check this out! The Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q is like a jackpot for your gaming setup, offering incredible value without breaking the bank. This 4K gaming monitor, sitting comfortably in the affordable zone, is a 28-inch marvel that bends and twists to meet your needs. Well, within reason, of course. But here's the real deal. It's not just for gamers. This monitor is a visual treat for everyone who loves sharp, detailed images and accurate, vibrant colors. During our testing, it flaunted flawless detail and a whopping 90% color gamut, making it not only perfect for gaming but also for binge-watching your favorite shows. And let's talk style thin bezels? Check. Smart cable management? Double check. It's not just about looks, it's got the brains too. With a range of display settings, this monitor takes your viewing experience up a notch. Looking for a budget-friendly gaming monitor that doesn't compromise on quality? Look no further, the Asus 2F Gaming VG289Q is the one you've been waiting for. Meet the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8. It's like the cool kid in town, but it's got a rival, the Alienware 34 QD OLED, and in their face-off, Samsung takes a bit of a backseat. But hey, hold your horses. It doesn't mean the Odyssey OLED G8 is a letdown. In fact, it might just be the monitor of your dreams. With a 24-inch, 3440 x 1440 panel, and a zippy 175 Hz refresh rate, it's got all the firepower you need. What sets Samsung apart is its Tizen operating system. It's like the magic wand that brings apps to your desktop, and you can dive into a world of media without needing a PC. And that's not all. Enjoy the convenience of 65W power delivery through the USB-C inputs. All this goodness is backed up by the stellar QD OLED image quality that this panel is famous for. So, while it might not be the reigning champion, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 has its own tricks up its sleeve, making it a top pick for those in the know. The LG Ultra Gear is the best 4K gaming monitor for its stellar picture quality and all-round performance. It might not be the flashiest monitor around, but it delivers the fundamentals of a great 4K gaming monitor better than most. LG makes a lot of panels for monitors, but it pays particular care with this monitor to tune it wonderfully out of the box. Just plug this monitor in, boot up your favorite game. I recommend something vibrant like Avatar: Frontiers of Pandora. And you'll quickly realize just how gorgeous this screen is. There's loads of pop to the picture without going overboard and oversaturating. As a 27-inch 4K panel, the resolution squeezes plenty of pixels per inch. That means it's a supremely clear picture and great for gaming, but also showing off lots of text. That said, it's not as immersive as some ultra-wide gaming monitors, which will wrap around your vision. And being a full 4K panel, this LG will actually often require more computational power than most traditional ultra-wides, with fewer pixels overall. The LG Ultra Gear 27GR93U is a really strong pick for single-player gamers looking for a gaming monitor that will show them the best of their games and the best of 4K gaming. Also, it's great for editing content on and working with throughout the day. It's a really flexible monitor, though not literally unlike some, so don't try and bend it in half. That concludes the overview of the best gaming monitor of 2024. Feel free to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to stay updated on our newest content.